This is the home page of Sathi portal. Please click on Login button on the right top corner to log in as SPA. A pop-up will display to select the state to which SPA belongs. Then it will be redirected to the login page. Now, the user has to enter user ID and password with CAPTCHA and then click on Login button. After logging in, the SPA's dashboard will be displayed. Next, if SPA wants to generate an indent, the user will have to scroll and click on Breeder Seed Production in the side menu. Thereafter, they will have to click on Generate Indent. The Generate Indent form will open. Now the SPA will select their year of indent and season from the given drop-downs. If there are any previous indents, then they will now be visible below. The user will then choose their crop. They can either select by scrolling the drop-down menu or by typing the crop name directly. Next, the user will choose the variety for which they want to generate an indent in the same manner by either typing the name or selecting by scrolling the drop-down menu. The notification here will be auto-generated. Then they will enter the quantity they want to indent. Please note that this quantity will be in quintal for agriculture crops and in kilograms for horticulture crops. Finally, the SPA will click on the Add button. The indent is successfully generated and will be shown below. The user can edit the indent quantity or delete their entry if needed. This is how SPA can generate an indent.